Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Dupe, and today we are going to talk about our basics of graphing on a coordinate plane. So the first thing I want to talk about is our coordinate plane here. So on our coordinate plane, we always have our x-axis, which is our side-to-side axis, and then we have our y-axis, which is our up and down. Our graph is divided into 4 quadrants. It starts in this quadrant, which is the most common one. This is our positive quadrant. So all of our coordinates are positive in this one. Quadrant 2 is our negative positive quadrant. So our x coordinates are negative, our y coordinates are positive. Quadrant 3 is our negative quadrant, so all of our coordinates are negative. And then our last one is quadrant 4, and this one, our x's are positive and our y's are negative. So now I want to go over our coordinates one more time. We've talked about this a lot already when we were finding slope from 2 points, but with every coordinate, let's say we have 1, 2, we have an x coordinate and a y coordinate. The x tells us where we're going to graph on our horizontal axis, so our side to side. The y tells us where we're going to graph on our vertical axis. So let's number our x-axis. Oops, I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll label our y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. And we'll just worry about our positive right now because both of these numbers are positive in this coordinate. So 1, 2. 1 means on the x-axis, we are going to go over to 1. 2 means on our y-axis, we're going to go up to 2. So our point is going to land right here. That is 1, 2. So let's do another one here in our positive. We'll have 5, 4. So 5, 4 means we're going to start at our origin, which is in the middle here. I'm going to mark it with a blue dot. We're going to go over to 5. And then we are going to go up to 4 on the y-axis. So our point is going to land right here. That is 5, 4. So things happen then when our signs change. So like I said, this is positive. This is negative, positive. This is negative, and this is positive, negative. So let me number the rest of my grids really quick just to 5 so that we have a good idea here. And I know I didn't talk about it too much really, but our origin where our blue dot is the point 0, 0. I know I kind of skimmed past that a little bit. I'm more worried about you knowing how to graph your coordinates. So let's say we have the coordinate now. Let me erase some of this business up here. There we go. Let's say we have the coordinate -2, 3. So that's a negative, positive. Your x is negative, your y is positive. So that means you're going to be in this second quadrant over here. You start at the origin, move on your x-axis, -2, move on your y-axis, +3. So your point lands right here. And let's do 2 more. So our next point we're going to do is -1, -5. So this point is negative. That means we're going to land in this quadrant 3 down here. So -1, we start at our origin, we move over 1, and then -5 means we're going to go down to -5 there on the y-axis. So our point would be right there. Now we don't normally draw what I'm drawing with the blue lines, but I just want to show you how you have to move. It's actually kind of the opposite of what we've been doing with slopes so far. So you have to do your X movement, horizontal movement first, and then your Y movement, vertical movement second, which is opposite of what we've been doing with slope when we've been doing rise over run. So don't get confused. We're going to do one last graphing example, and we're going to go ahead and make sure we go into quadrant 4. So we're going to do 2, -1. So our X is positive and our Y is negative, which means we're going to end in that quadrant 4 right there. So our X movement says we're going to move +2. Our Y movement says we're going to move -1. So we're actually going to land right on top of that number 2 right there. And that is the basics of our coordinate grid, how we graph our coordinates, just a little review for our assignment for Thursday and Friday.